Imagine you open Figma and instead of a blank frame, an AI co-designer asks, "Hey, what do you want to build today?" You type a single sentence and boom, a full login screen appears perfectly balanced and styled. That's what we are ready to explore. UI UX design with AI in Figma. By the end of this short video, you will have your Figma setup ready, your first AI plugin installed, and you will be very first ready to AI generated design right on your canvas. Let's start designing smarter, not harder. Learn UI UX with AI. Your new design partner. Goals, setup, connect AI, generate your first name. Let's dive into the video, and over here we will learn how to download Figma in our desktop, and then we will bring AI into Figma. Step 1. Open figma.com and sign in with your Gmail or Google account. Step 2. Install the desktop app for better performance. Step 3. Let's bring AI into Figma. Go to the community tab on the left and search for the AI design or the Majestic. Click run and boom, your first AI assistance inside Figma. This plugin understands your text prompts and convert them into design elements, button, cards, homes, illustration, even copy text. They are like having a junior designer who never gets tired. So quickly, checklist before we move on. Figma is installed. AI plugin is installed. If we have got that ready, let's start talking to our AI buddy. When you ask AI to design, be specific. Don't just say make a mobile screen. Say exactly what you want. Colors, style, content. Here's a prompt template that always works for me. Explain your role to your AI assistant, goal, contest, constraint, and the output. This prompt tells the AI who it is, what to do, and how to deliver the output. Copy it, paste it into your plugin, and hit run. And just watch the magic happen. In just a few seconds, you will see ready-made layout appear on your canvas, completed with shapes and label. Pretty cool, right? Let's take a closer look at what just AI created. Click on any element, see how it's using auto layout. That means your UI will adjust automatically when you resize the frame. Click on the text tool and replace the level login with your own app name, instant branding. Try experimenting. Change the primary color to something fresh. AI will update this style instantly. Add a line in your prompt like include a forgot password link. AI will update that style within seconds without messing up alignment. See what's happening. You are not drawing from scratch anymore. You are directing the design process. Use this workflow a few times and you will realize how AI can handle repetitive tasks while you focus on creativity, the part that actually matters. And that's it. Your AI design buddy is officially set up. Today you learn to connect AI with Figma, install your first plugin, and generate a real screen from the single prompt. But remember, AI won't replace you as a designer. It just removes the boring bits so you can focus on the fun ones. Homework time. Ask your AI assistant to design a sign up screen that matches your login page. Add extra field like confirm password and sign in with Google. Notice how it keeps the style consistent. That's AI learning your visual language. In the next video, we will plan an entire user journey, a real app flow from home to checkout, and see how AI can turn ideas into wireframes in minutes. See you there, Design Champ.